Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Arts. So today I will show you how to report someone's TikTok video by using your Android mobile. At same time, this trick also works on iOS devices because this TikTok app settings are common for all devices. So when I try to open my TikTok mobile application, it has the lots of unwanted videos. So I decide to report that kind of TikTok videos. So if you feel same thing, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application. So and then you can see this is that unwanted video. So if you like to report it, by simply press that share icon and it is placed followed by comment section. So in bottom it shows some icons, but the first one is report icon. So simply select it. And then they ask for valid reason to report that video. So it has the lots of category. So you can select any one of the valid reason. So once you select it, if you like to write additional information, just use this section. So otherwise, just click to submit your request. And then it shows the confirmation message. So you can wait for a few hours because they verify your report request. So this is the way you can easily report unwanted TikTok videos by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Arts, and thanks for watching.